Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's video is on Brookfield Residential, where they're building and how to navigate if you're a homeowner to try to submit a service request. So where are they building? They are in Canada. They are in Maryland, Delaware, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Texas, Denver, Nevada, and California. So let's see what's going on in Virginia. So they have locations in Embry Mill and Stafford. They are in Bristow, Virginia. They are in Swan Point, Maryland. I said Virginia. I'm not sure why Maryland came up, but this is what the website did. All right, so now what we want to do is navigate. So this is the actual portal that you actually need to go to register. So once they actually have a mobile app, and once you download the mobile app or on the website, you can submit your request, find out information about your home warranty and everything that is situated with your home. So just a quick video to show you how to navigate what you need to do. Make it a great day. If you have any questions about your Brookfield home, or thinking of selling or thinking about purchasing a Brookfield home in the Virginia, Maryland area or outside of my area, I can assist you with finding a licensed professional with one of my referral partners. Give me a call at 240-284-4114.